There are 2 wolves on that hill, right there. That seemed to scare off that wolf. I don't know how many wolves are in that pack, but I saw at least 3. Oh, I can smell them, like a dog kennel. Hopefully I scared them away. I don't want them circling around me and get my pack. There we go. Now right there's the willow ptarmigan, the Alaska state bird. You can see how it's brown and then starting to turn white. There we go. There's the grayling and ptarmigan all cleaned and dressed. That's good.